Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Honor is a renowned name in the foldable phone market, and last year they have launched the slimmest book style foldable phone, the elegant looking Honor Magic V2. And now the brand is gearing up for their first flip style foldable phone, and luckily we have already received some of its key details as well as a look at its design language. So the information came from the reliable tipster Digital Chat Station, and he says the Honor Magic V Flip will have a massive cover display. So probably if not the biggest, but surely one of the biggest cover displays, which we can say matches the current trend of flip phones. The tipster also shared a case for the cover display, hinting the presence of a big cover screen. Now for the design language, a couple of renders circulating online showcasing the possible rear design of the handset. So as we can see, the Magic V Flip will have a camera sensors inside a circular camera island. And just like the early rumors, the cover display, which is covering almost the entire top half, will also go around the camera island. Another noticeable thing, unlike the Moto Razr 40 Ultra, which currently has the biggest 3.6 inches cover display, the Magic V Flip has a tiny bezel on the bottom. So this will not only create more space for the screen, but in my opinion will give the handset an elegant look. Now for the camera sensors, the core camera details are still under wraps. However, it is rumored to have 3 rear camera sensors housing in that circular camera island. Going by the earlier reports, the Magic V Flip will have the 4500 mAh of battery, which is the biggest among the current flip phones. If you are concerned about the performance, it is said to feature some Snapdragon 8 series chipset. At the moment, the rest of the details are still under wraps, but surely I will keep you updated as soon as there are any details. By the way, Motorola is preparing to launch its next flip phone, the Moto Razr 50 series, and we have got plenty of details about it. To check it out, click here, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.